Allah Akbar.
There's an adrenaline rush that comes with it when they go out there, and it's so exciting.
SCCA stands for Sports Cars Club of America. This race is called Screaming Eagles Double Regional, an SCCA regional club race. For the qualifying round on day 1, Nur has qualified on the 6th position with his Formula Mazda. On day 1, being a race car lover myself, I managed to convince Nur to allow me a chance to feel the driver's seat. It was an awesome feeling. It's pretty tough to be all buckled up in that tiny little car and try to maneuver the wheels, keep track of the gauges, and at the same time make sure that other drivers don't crash into you.
This is how Nur feels, man. It's a tough job to be a race car driver.
In fact, it gets suffocating for someone who is not used to it, like myself. But once you press that ignition button, all the fears start to fly. Now is the time for Nur to get ready and hit the racetrack. When driving a race car, safety is always first. A fire-resistant suit, a strong helmet, fireproof gloves, and other safety padding. While Robert prepares the car, checks for any last-minute surprises, gets Nur all buckled up and ready. Then off you go. Let's go racing. The race at Eagles Canyon Raceway consists of 2 races on 2 separate days. You qualify in the morning and then you race in the afternoon. Nur had no other choice, as we had missed his previous races at Daytona International Speedway and Talladega Superspeedway. So Eagles Canyon was the only chance for us to be in the driver's seat with Nur Ali. This race will have 12 laps with a maximum time of 20 minutes to finish all the laps. Engines start up. You can hear the power roars all across the racing track. And here comes the green flag. What goes through your mind once you guys let him go on the racetrack?
Well, number one, I pray for safety. There's an adrenaline rush that comes with it.
After all the years of hard work, blood and sweat, and training, this is what it all comes down to.
My number one concern is always safety, but second, I want to win.
And here comes the actual race. Sometimes even the toughest of drivers face difficult challenges.
Did you see what happened? Number 2 hit me. What place was I in?
You're in 3rd.
I was, right? I'm pissed off, man.
You never know how things turn out at the actual race or the racing track.
He was right on my butt.
Sometimes you hit someone else.
Yeah, but actually I took off. Then he gained on me.
Sometimes you get hit.
And then he hit me. frustrating. I was so focused. Broke this, see, look at this.
So was that on purpose, you think?
No, it was stupidity. You know what it was? He's a rookie driver. A lot of rookie drivers do this. Not patient.
Yeah,
Be patient.
He just wants to get there at the first.
The race is still on. The race is not over yet. Be patient. Use your brain.
Sometimes you get lucky,
Good 2 laps, man.
but sometimes you don't.
Yeah, take a guess. I felt the most comfortable now in the race than I did before.
It's all a matter of chance and timing.
We will get him tomorrow. You know it. You don't think he's gonna now take me to the final stage and bring me? He's gonna bring me to the door, but he's not gonna let me enter. I don't believe in that. I know he's gonna get me there. That's my faith that I believe. Simple as that. Simple as that. Whether we're making history with this or not, I'm not worried about it. I know we're gonna get there. Not knowing where motorsports was gonna lead me, or not even knowing how I was gonna start in the motorsports industry.